Greetings everybody, it's Arizona Agua Hunt Fish 4x4 out here at Arivaca. First time ever going to be navigating these waters. You know, I'll show you when I get down there, but it's pretty overgrown with weeds, but I just might add for the, how you say, habitat. But brought the kayak out today. Hopefully everything goes good. Regular spot, a little bit further in here than I remember. I've only been here once before, just passing by. Got the yak down there all set up. You can see water levels are super low. It's about the end of July, so yeah, all the way out here. As you can tell, this is the dock. Sometimes this is underwater, but yeah, so we're gonna paddle out, see what we can get into, we get launched, and yeah, get this ball rolling. Inhaled it. Let's get him, let's get him, let's get him. He's gonna come up right here. Boat flip. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's a dink, but I will take it. First fish of the day for me. Yes, sir. Right on the drop. He was saying they like these like little rocky areas. At least lately, that's what I've been seeing. Alright. First one of the day. He's a healthy dude. But we ain't wasting too much time with him. First one of the day. Yep. All that. Let's go ahead and let him go. Hey. Nice. Look how intense the weeds are. This is just a little cove. I only caught on the rocky ledge so far. You know, when I was paddling in here, you have to paddle through a lot of this stuff to even, like from the boat launch. I saw about a 3-pound bass just chilling in there. Set my stuff up right here. Alright. Come on. Come back, baby. Come back, baby. We just piss him off. Yes. Yes. I knew it. He's a good one. Get ready for this boat flip, baby. Yes. I knew it. Yeah, it just hit me. So I knew if I could get it right back in front of him, I'd get him. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Solid fish. It's about to put me right in the weeds. But hey, second bass of the day, I'll take it. Nice little shallow area. Well, I'll let it drag me to like the sun so you can see the release. But yeah, second one of the day. I think the fishing's good. That sucked. On the drop again. Wants to go into the boat. Can't let him though. Can't let him. Oh, feels like he's wrapped. So tell me he's wrapped. I think he's wrapped on my anchor. Oh yeah. Should I get that all untangled for you? But he's a big one. Oh gosh, I hope he stays on. Yeah, he's just wrapped on the anchor. Oh, come on, please don't lose him, please don't lose him. This is now the biggest one of the day. Man, it's the best day of bass fishing I've had on this yak so far. And that's crazy because I was super dismissive of this lake. I was like, it's too weedy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I wish I had my scale today. This one's maybe only 2 pounds. But still, again, biggest one of the day. Come on, come on. There you go. Just inhaled it. Just inhaled it. Yes, sir. Well, that's what we do it for, baby. That's what we do it for. Mike, I doubt it's the same fish. This one looks like he only has my hoof marks in him. So I don't know if this guy's ever been caught before. So this is my fourth fish. And again, they're all hitting on the drop, except for that other one where I actually had to work it. But yeah, they're all hitting pretty much on the drop. Woohoo! Sick. I might just keep staying on this point, like I'm saying. They're just hitting. On the drop. It feels tiny because it's coming straight in. Oh, maybe not so tiny. Oh yeah. Probably the bigger one of the day, maybe. If I could land them. Definite chunker. Yes. I might still be able to do that, but I've caught a bass on every pull today. Bait caster, Ned rig on the light action, and then on my medium action drop shot. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I got the rag on. It's hot. It's hot. It's like 100 and some. Look at that, dude. Look at that on the Ned. Biggest one so far, but we'll see what we can do before I get the release. I'm gonna snap a picture. Hey, later, dude.